Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 467 different strategies, with 141 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 366 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,062 indicators, with 443 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says this trading indicator comes with buy and sell signals, and it's free. And so we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this indicator. Now, it's just a single indicator, and so we will only add just the one indicator to screen, and we will add this to the indicator testing spreadsheet and not the strategy testing spreadsheet. And so the indicator we have on screen is the channels with patterns indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen, and we'll keep everything on the default settings. And so basically what we have is, if I scroll back just a little bit here, you can see that we have different patterns that are being tagged by this indicator. We also have these areas where it says break up and break down. In the source video, they said basically that these labels here that aren't the breakup or breakdown basically are identifying different candlestick patterns. And so you see, if I hover over this tag right here, you can see it says hammer. So this is going to be a hammer candle. If I hover over this one, it's a bullish engulfing. If I hover over this one, it's an inverted hammer. And so basically what we are looking for is, we are looking for when the channel is giving us a specific direction. And so, for example, right now you can see that the channel is sloping downward. And when it's sloping downward, we're either looking for a breakdown tag like this here, indicating that we're getting a break to the downside, or we would be looking for one of these candlestick labels to appear on the top side here, then giving us an opportunity to sell into the market at that point. And so what we have here, as you can see, is a short trade example. As like I said, the slope here, or the channel, is sloping downward, and we get a breakdown right here tag. And so that would be a signal to then enter into a short. At this point, we'd put our stop just right above this little pivot area right here, and we would be looking for a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we get this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Now, additionally, with the other candlestick patterns, generally what you would be looking for in that case is for them to appear on the upper channel. And what we have here is a breakout of the lower channel, which the source video said also is a valid way to enter into trades. And for a long trade, what we're looking for, again, is we're looking for the slope to be, or the channel to be sloping upwards like it is now. And then we're looking for price to pull back into this lower channel and then give us one of these candlestick patterns like it has right here, the hammer pattern. Now, the candle in front of it needs to close before that pattern will or tag will appear. And so the close of this candle actually locked in this hammer pattern right here. And so that would be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we would put our trade right here. We would put our stop just right here below this pivot area, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. And so you can see how in this case we're playing off of this lower channel instead of the upper channel. Now let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we had 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 24% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $15,200 for an overall loss of $8,000. And so, not a great indicator, at least not by itself. I think it's interesting and has some potential. I think maybe coupled with a few other indicators, it could do very well. But just as a standalone indicator, didn't seem to do all that great. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 28 trades altogether. We had 23 winning trades and 5 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 82% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $7,800. If you would use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would increase the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $13,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we're still at winning trade number 70. That's 70 winning trades in a row using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. And backtesting, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. If that's something you're interested in, just click or follow the links down below in the description. All right, that's it for this indicator here. We are going to go ahead and put this one on the no list for now and move on to the next video from here.